Hey guys, good morning. So we're about to do a walkathon for the church that we attend. No rain, no fall, both fall, rain, fall. So we're about to leave. Oh, but I'm so tired. So guys, we have reached, well, not really reached Holywell, but
remember me tell you on the last video.
Not Holywell, but we have reached where we would have breakfast before leaving. Max, what is for month, man? Sure.
So when you have vlog, you have to clean off your face first.
Shut up. So we have reached, and we, what time it is now?
8:30. So
8:30 or 7:30?
7.
Well, when you can't read, watch. So it's 7:30 now, and I think we're gonna leave in the next half an hour. So he is drinking his porridge. Come and get down in our porridge. And I'm having sandwich and cupcake. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Alright. Thank you.
But yours came for like
Where? Can I have one, sweetie?
well, change all the cup size.
Hmm?
So yeah, cut up on the cup size.
My next porridge, imagine, people.
Okay.
Porridge garden.
Good thing you not see me.
Hmm?
I might go back in there again for myself.
So people, we're there in the heat, you know, stoop down. See, I'm very low because the sun is so hot. Still I wait, I can't wait for life. For go. See, my hair is growing out, looking good too. Oh, before I forget, just letting you know that I'll be having a new program on my channel. You can look out for that on Wednesday. It's basically a makeup tutorial, but I won't be the one doing the makeup, but the makeup will be done on me. So you can look out for that every Wednesdays. And yeah. So finally moving on. This is on your face. So you want to sleep me?
Welcome to
Nah, talk to me.
This is another thing welcome to Portland too.
a Portland and reach.
No, run with me. No, talk to me. Must be calm. I feel like a painful. Yeah, people, we just reached, you know, at the new castle where the soldier is situated. If you can look behind me, you basically see in the camp. Yeah.
Basically see the camp, yeah.
And this one here, so just wake up, dry, sleep all the way coming up.
Soldier camp.
Off we go with the walkathon, and yeah, this one's still tired. Watch funny face. Still tired?
I don't say I'm not fit, you know. Tired.
Yeah, so basically everybody, you know. So yeah guys, so as we go along, I will show you some.
Because the people who give me money say they want to see me.
Some scene.
Take my photograph. All people who give me money say they have to see.
Not much right now, but yeah. And this is what I'll be doing for the next 2 miles. As the soldier said, it's approximately 2 miles to go to Holywell. So Yeah. Thon. Full of bush, cool. You know, this is how it normally looks.
Oversaturate the pictures.
Yeah, because of how the place looks. Yeah?
You know what oversaturate means? The picture look brighter than it actually is.
Oh, my bad.
And things look greener.
I guess I don't know what oversaturated means.
Okay.
Yeah. You learn something new every day.
Like, look how them parts of your natural eye can see the real color.
Yeah.
I look at the phone and show.
Oh,
Like
it looks extra green.
Exactly. The oversaturated.
Okay. So yeah. Trying to do my best at this. I don't feel tired yet. The last time I actually did this walkathon, I was dying. I couldn't even reach. Be just there taking photos. You know, it's actually his first time coming to Holywell, which I'm happy for that because I always want to do some things with him, and because I love nature overall, I always wanted to do this with him. And now I'm basically doing it now. I think he said he's vlogging as well. What did I just say?
Not vlogging, I'm taking photos.
Oh, I thought he said he was vlogging. So yeah. Guys, I finally reached 2 miles, I'm saying. But me I dead. Me good. Me I dead. Oh Jesus. Me I dead. Lord. Me I dead. So I'm walking in. So I finally reached Holywell Nature Park. Yeah. Y'all hear me. I'm out of breath. Jesus. Taking it slow now. This one behind going like him not tired, see? But an easy walk. Watch him. Yeah. So. Ooh. Oh Lord. Woo. It's gonna rain, guys.
Morning, Chief. Yeah, welcome to the West. Yeah, man.
Welcome into this place. Welcome into this broken vessel. In the presence of your people. So we lift our hands as we lift our hearts, as we offer up this praise unto you. Something in my heart like a stream running down. It makes me feel so happy as can be. When I think of Jesus and what he has done for me, there is something in my heart like a stream running down.
So guys, I'm going on a trail. I hope it's not too long because I'm tired. This one always behind. Watch him. Burn me theme.
Run out already. She walkless.
You know, I see step from every come, so you know you talk about me workless. You workless. Because I asked him for some of my water. And you know when tell me? You open my mouth and catch rainwater. Tell me now.
Refreshing.
No, it's not refreshing, guys. So tired.
You tired already?
Yeah.
Yeah, we start taking vitamins.
Which one? Prenatal.
Tired already.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm busy saying. Yes, I'm tired. I'm very tired because I'm not used to this anymore. So it is something that I will have to continuously do.
Weather is awesome.
Yes, it is. Even though it was a little bit cold, but I'm over that. You know, we're over that. We are over that. So yeah, we're on the trail, heading somewhere. So I think they said that a waterfalls is on the trail. So I would like to show you guys that. Hopefully, water is at the falls. see, last time when I come here, so my blouse and skirt. Let me say, no one see me run and she run. Say man I catch me here, so okay, lonely no man. Right here so lonely.
This is really a trail.
Alright guys, here this is me trying to sing. To try. I never felt this way. Why my voice gone?
Good try, B. Good try.
What y'all think? Do you think I can sing or not?
Good try.
Just leave a comment down below and tell me your thoughts. Or if you would actually like to hear me sing,
sing no.
Then I will do that.
No, you know.
I don't sing? Okay. Let me do it again. Let me serenade you. I never felt this way about anyone. Something like that. This is the famous waterfall at Holywell. Look at it. Real famous, I must say. People, it's finally lunchtime and I was dying. I almost fall asleep. Watch him now. It tastes really good.
Shot, man, shot.
Yeah, man. The church, I'm going to tell you, I need to feed the multitudes. So guys, we're here back at Newcastle at the soldier camp. It was a wonderful day, I would say.
No food, man, tell you.
Yeah, food for kill. And I actually slept on my picnic blanket and he was playing dominoes. So yeah, as I said before, the day was
6 drop to
it was fun. Oh, you get it? Or you give somebody?
No comment.
Look like I didn't get it. So this is where I will end my vlog. So I will see you in my next vlog. Thanks for watching.
Alright, yeah, everybody. See you later.